And then I play some Mavis walk up. We say Mavis walk up, what do you play? GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro, yeah.
He say a GoPro. Because you don't do it too damn fast. Because why? So easy we are chatting, you walk go fast.
And you see your teeth them.
That's it. We say them are doing mannequin challenge. We are trying to.
We'll go find somewhere pause.
We are trying. Everybody want TV, I go and walk mannequin challenge, think I'm lucky. He say, I hear some Mavis walk up. That's all. God damn you. A crab, me say me want, William. I be can't find none. No way we find crab.
No buy grocery section, man.
Grocery. We say, if Mavis ever come and we say, food there till you yam till you piece your jars. Me tell you. Me say, me go carry this tongue with Mavis car. Mavis look like you that go pan this jar. Or see fat, Mavis fat 2 jar, but he jar the pan this jar. God almighty.
That's how to feed Mavis now?
Yeah, that's out. Too big. You're a big man for that. But, I want to know something. We really want to talk something. You don't know, say, boy, yesterday when we come a store. You know what a boy do? Now me will like grape. Now me will like grape. Tell me something can't hear me now. After me ready to come out, then will have me. Me say, then what we kill him? Because he nearly go to prison. The man say, I told me all. Make it then lock me up. Because I know say me if you come in a corner. I tell you. I know say, so this is so much food, I know say, to say they're not free. I until we can't have no more when we ready to come up and come out. They grab a family. Say me did know better. When if you come in a corner. Damn right. We say, if we wouldn't say they want to open them, see? So, if you look, I want to roll out and see things so. You see, if you look, we go look crab, yam, because we don't want no chicken. Every day chicken, you do so fly. Some fly. But guess what we find? The boy they can we go look crab and then put it bad. I mean I cook them then live. See them then live. I want you to cook. But that's hear me. We just God. See them there. They live. See that God.
You peer fighting, you know, you have to just use your hand.
Use your hand. You want to see man.
A 2-1 time.
2-1 I got.
Jesus God Almighty.
God Almighty. We can't. Wait with it.
Use your hand now.
Yeah, use it. See there. Yeah, me will never cook it. Let me tell you something. So, you don't know who will fight me. We see, so I come up and do again. We go there. If me tell you who will fight me, I can't believe. You man come. You remember you man when me tell you say, a little boy out there, me tell him pick out look and then motherfucking in she teeth. Mama come. Say he come to compete, me a box up my teeth. He say, Kuya. If you want to fight me, you can't fight me. You're picking a ring because I teach him someone else. If me didn't know me beat you too. Beat you. I tell you, say, me didn't know. Girl too bright. Girl don't know if I know way. How I come fight me. Bright. Me say if me look at me big that and they come, me say, for that take out me piece I take and give him one crash in chatting. Yes. Who want fight me? Me don't know. Me say, the boss, me go there. And Papa Pisha, in Brazil, make him out of do. Make him know, say, no play with old man. You see old man, you better be your damn self. Damn right.
But anyhow, wanna make sure so you don't go to my grandpa page, you don't know say Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. Yes, Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. And YouTube page, Dan Pent. Yes, DONPENT, that are 2 words. Please subscribe, like and share me page. You don't know say I'm me, say viral, and a viral me say.